Status screen, cold coffee gone, cursor blinking. Come on, I'm not a coder by the book of rule. I write by feel, that's how I move. The answer came, look right at first. Hit run, the logs came out the worst. What exactly broke? Not now, not here. The vibe just said relax, trust it, clear. I'm a vibe coder, man, that's me. I don't code smart, I code free. Where are the types? Where are the tests? If it works in prod, that's already best. Yeah!